8. Greetings! In this video I'm going to teach you all how to bark authentically in whatever situation you may find it necessary for. For this technique you're gonna need a base word which you need to gradually increase the pitch of until it becomes unintelligible and will more closely resemble an animal sound. At this point you simply know what to do. When I developed this method I used a Hungarian word, but the English word with the closest pronunciation to it is fuss. So it is this word that you'll be starting the build up from in the way I'll be demonstrating it right now. Fuss, 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 fuss. Now, you might be wondering, is this even useful, or why am I telling you this? Well, my neighbor's dog tends to be very loud when it comes to greeting unsuspecting pedestrians, and I had to find a way to commune with it. To tell it to shut up, essentially. Let's see how it works in practice, shall we? And there you have it. Now you know how to bark. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll see you next time.
Me, 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 only me, 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 sexy me.